Kevin's like, huh? Nice to see you, everybody. Well, all my guys are coders. That's right. We should have said that, Mr. Sims. All my guys are coders. Hey, all my guys are coders. Hey, hello, guys. How are you? Nice to see you all. Who did we have today? Tiana, Tanya, Sasha, Simona, Andrew. Yes, Miss Boucherine, Lemon Ignacio, Kevin. Who's that? That is Georgia. Who's the other one? That is. Did I spell that right? No. Natalia. We have Juice World fan Robbie. Really. Rest in peace, Juice World. Pizza Bob Jeff, I think, is Andrew. And Alicia. Nice to see you all here today. All my guys are coders. We're going to make a song about that now. I think we've got a new song. We've got a new song coming in, guys. It's called All My Guys Are Coders. Okay? You have to sing it with me. Oh, Panda is Alicia. So who is, and that's Andrew. Okay, cool. Lovely. Perfect. All right, guys. All my guys are coders. All my guys are coders. Yes, please, can we see the cat? My cat? He is sleeping. You know, they're nocturnal, right? What does nocturnal mean? First question in the chat. What does nocturnal mean? Good. Well done, Kitty Cat. Very quick. It's Kitty Cat Georgia. Is that right? Let's have a look. Yes, it is Georgia. Okay, guys. Right. That's good. Come out at night. Exactly. Okay, guys. I'm going to close the chat for 1 second. Let's get clear on something. Okay. Number one, head over to Code Emoji for me now. Let's open up the chat. The chat. What am I talking about? The code editor. Okay. So let's get over there. Not alive at night. Who said that? Alive at night. It's not alive at night. They're just awake at night. Yep. Okay. So over to Code Emoji. I've put the button up there. Click it. Does it work? It does work. You log into it. You bring up your project. Mr. Sims did a fantastic job yesterday. Got you guys all knowing about code. I heard that your Kahoot was really good as well. You said that you guys did really well in your Kahoot. Well done, Ignacio. Well done, Sasha. Good, Kitty Cat. We'll have a look at that in a minute. You made hover on it. Good. Nice. Well done. But try not to, because we're going to do a lot. We've still got a lot to do. We've only done the HTML sections. So we're going to do the last bit of HTML today. We're probably going to start some CSS as well today. But what I would recommend, Kitty Cat, is Georgia. I would recommend is taking that CSS out, because I'm going to give you all new CSS. Okay. So guys, make sure you don't have anything in your CSS block there, because we're going to put all new CSS in there. Okay. So make sure that you don't put anything in there at the moment. I'm not sure about that, Kitten. You have to speak to Mr. Sims. He will find out. He will let you know shortly. I think once you finish the project, you can have a look at everybody's videos. So if you may have finished entirely the project with Mr. Sims, I'm sure he will enlighten you on that a little bit later on today. No problem, Juice WRLD fan Robbie. Good rapper. R.I.P. Juice WRLD. Okay. So we're all over there, yeah? We're all over this. Let's have a look at this CSS. Oh, that's basic CSS. That's fine. I think I'll leave it. I think you can leave that actually. But let us go, because there is one thing we are missing from our code. Okay, there's one thing we are missing. So let's go through this together. And I have put that on I've pinned that to the chat so that you guys can see that, but not, obviously you can't copy and paste in Code Emoji. So, which is a great feature, actually, to be honest with you. I love that you can't copy and paste into it. So guys, you see the code that I have put on the chat. What I want you to do is you need to put that on line 7 in your code. So that will go here. Okay, can you see where line 7 is? Just here. Okay, and that goes after div class. Okay, it goes after the div class, does it? Yes, it does. It goes after the div class. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I want you to do here, and let me know if everyone is okay there. Who's logged in? Have we got Sean today? There's no Sean today. Olamide, are you there? Okay, cool. No, okay. Well, make sure you get there, because Kevin, are you okay? Leo, don't worry, we'll come to that. And Olamide, good. I am Stegosaurus. Are you actually a Stegosaurus? Because I thought they were extinct. Finn, hello, Finn. Okay, cool. Okay, guys. Yes. So, if you just, those of you that have just joined, you can see that the code I want on line 7, I have pinned to the top of the chat. You cannot necessarily copy and paste it, but you can see it and copy it. So let's do that together now. Okay, I'm going to close the chat so that we can all do that together, and then we're going to come back and check. Okay, so as you can see, like Mr. Sims said yesterday, on line 1 we have HTML, and he tested you and he said that yes, HTML lets the browser, for example, Google Chrome, Safari, lets the browser know that the website that it's loading starts with HTML. We should actually have head after that, but Mr. Sims was right. We should actually have head after that. We can just leave that there for now. Well, actually, no, let's go back to what we were doing, because then line 2 should be body. Line 2 should have body on there. Yep. No problem, Olamide. Click on the button on the code emoji. Get over to your code emoji as soon as possible. Okay. And then you should open up your previous code editor that we had with the stuff. Line 3, H1, whatever you want in between the H1, and then we close the H1. Like that's already been done. Then we've got the marquee tag, which Mr. Sims explained to you yesterday as well, which makes the text move across the web page there. And we also changed that to a H2, didn't we? We changed that to a H2, and we underlined it with that. So the way we did that is we opened bracket marquee, closed the bracket, then we opened another bracket and put H2 in there, closed the bracket, then we opened another bracket and just put U in there and closed the bracket, right? And then you put whatever title you wanted in there, and then you close the underline and you closed the marquee. Okay. Now line 5, on line 5, it should be open bracket, the letter P, space. Remember, P means what? Open the chat. 3, 2, 1. What does the P tag mean? Good. Paragraph. Well done, Matt Lemon. Well done, Simona. I just deleted my work. I hope not. You might be able, if you crash up quickly, you can restart it. Well done, guys. Exactly. Paragraph. And then we have a class. And Mr. Sims yesterday was really showing you that the reason why you put class is because that will link to CSS. Remember? So the class, what you're going to do in CSS is you're going to say, okay, I want to design class A. So everything with class A in it, I'm going to design. So that's going to make sure that this text on line 5 will have a separate design to class B, which we're going to put in a minute, which is pretty much the same as line 5, but you just changed the class A to class B, okay? Which I have put in the text in the chat, which you can copy it, not copy and paste, sorry. You can have a look and copy it yourself. So let's do that now, okay? Open bracket, letter P, space, class, C-L-A-S-S, you'll know class, you spend most of your time in one. Equals, look at the top of your keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, dash, there's an equals there at the top of the keyboard, after 0, equals, yep, apostrophe, yep, the letter B, apostrophe again, and let's close that, okay? And we're going to put whatever text we're going to say. I'm going to say, this website is all about having fun with friends. If you would like to have fun with us, join us at Tech Club, for example. Yep. Just for an example. Then you're going to tell me what I need to do now. Someone's going to tell me what I need to do now. Don't forget. Chat open. Pepperoni Pizza, you lost. It's Pepperoni Andrew. Well done, Simona. Well done. Oh, Maya. Oh, you've probably not. I don't think you was here yesterday either, were you? So, Maya, have you opened up your code editor, your code emoji code editor? I'm going through with it I'm going through it all right now. Hi, Sean. Open up your code emoji code editor for me. Open up your previous project. Brilliant. Fantastic. Have you oh yeah, that's Pizza Panda. Maya, have you got this far so far? Okay, how far are you? Have you done this text that's in there? Let me know. Did you save it? Make sure we've got to try and save it. Okay, make sure we can try and save it. Well done, Simon. Sean, sorry. No problem. We'll go from the top again. We'll go from the top again. Let's go from the top one more time. Okay, chat closed. Who is that? Well, we don't, guys. Remember, yeah? Thank you. Shouldn't have to tell you more than once. Good. Okay, guys. So let's go back to this, right? So you need to make sure if you have lost your code, don't worry. We are going to change that. We're going to fix that now. Okay. We're going to fix all of that now quickly. So make everybody needs to basically have all of this code, which I will, okay, put in the at the top, but you obviously have to change the text to something that you want for your thing. Remember, you can't copy and paste it. You can only look at it and go back and forth and see what you would like to change on there, which is obviously the text in the middle. Okay, so you can see that what we have there. So let's go back to our code, make sure that we're all on the same page. What time is it? Okay, we're going to make sure we've got all of this. And once we've done that, we're going to go to our Kahoot, and then we're going to be ready for Mr. Sims's lesson. Okay, so line 1 should say HTML. Yep, the HTML tag. Okay, line 2 should have the body tag. Okay, should have the body tag on line 2. Line 3, as you can see in the chat that I've put in the text box, open bracket, it should be the H1 tag with whatever title, because you know H1 is the biggest size text, whatever title you want after that, and then close with H1. Remember how we close? Open bracket / H1, then the close crocodile bracket. Yeah. All right. How is everyone coming along anyway with that at the moment? If you, who's got problems? Okay, Simona. Well done, Sasha. Who needs a little bit of extra help? Well done. That's enough. Thank you very much, Sasha. We've done. Sean, have you looked? Have you gone into? Are you into your code editor, Sean? Mr. Sims? Good. Well done, Ignacio. Those are good, though. I have on line 5 body and line 6 HTML. I don't know what to do. I'm so lost. Yeah, I mean, Maya, what is important is obviously, you know, every day we do something new, because I don't think you was here yesterday. Obviously, you probably had something to do. But there is also, guys, don't forget, every lesson is recorded. So if you do miss a lesson, go to type in "you teach me" one word in YouTube, and you can find our YouTube channel. Who is that? Roberto. Roberto, I just need to tell you, okay? And I do apologize, guys. But look, come on. Yeah? Because I know you got blocked yesterday apparently for something. So you really need to be careful of what you're doing. Remember that your parents pay for this, okay? And it's not something that we can take lightly. We're here to learn, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, so let's move forward. Yeah, Mr. Sims, do you mind taking Sean into a breakout room quickly just to finish off some of the code? It's only the HTML that we need to get done at the moment, okay? Thank you. Cool. Okay, let's get that. Thank you, Mr. Sims. Okay, guys. So Good. Okay. So Kitty Cat's done. Just checking everybody's okay there. Right. Fantastic. Okay. So Maya, have you opened up a new project? Let's go back and just, why don't we? Yeah. Project. Let's go from the top. New project. So yours should look like this, Maya. I don't know why it would look any different, to be quite honest with you. Yep. Maya, are you there? Good. So yours should look like something like this. Now, if we look at the what I've put at the top, you just really need to copy what's in there, to be honest with you, Maya. So if you look at line 3, so yours will look like line 3. So what needs to go in line 3, guys? You tell me. Actually, let's all help Maya. We're a bunch of coders. We work together. Let's all help Maya to catch up a little bit, so that you guys, you tell me what needs to be done. Line 3. What needs to be done on line 3? Good. Well done, Simona. H1. Yeah. On line 3, H1 tag. Yeah. Well done. I would say Kevin's done it correct. Simona's done it correct. This is a good test, actually. This is a good test. Well done, Ignacio. Very good. For example, yeah. So that's what you need. That's the kind of code that you need to put on line 3 so that we can completely understand this, guys. Fantastic. Now, Maya, have you done that one? Confirm that you've done that. I deleted my mistake. Good. Good. Line 4, guys. What do we need to do on line 4? Let's all work together as a team. Good, Simona. Marquee Tag. I want to see some new names coming up on here. Matt DeLemon, Tanya, Tiana. Let's all work together. When you are able to teach someone what to do, then that means that you understand it very well. Okay. Very good, Sasha. Very, very good. Yeah. Well done, Sasha. Very good. You're making really good progress, Sasha. Good, Ignacio. What does the marquee tag mean? Somebody type in the chat what the marquee tag means, or what does it do? Very good, Simona. It makes the text move. Very good. So now that you know that, you can go, okay, yeah, guys, like, so this is what needs to be all right to left. Yes. Good. Well done, Kitty Cat. Next bit of text. What's on line 5? But let's wait for Maya to see if she's finished that one. Guys, 2 minutes. Well done, Simona. Very good. P class equals apostrophe A. Put your text here. Very good, Simona. Very good. What does the P do? What does the P mean? Very good. What does the class mean? Who can tell me what the class does? What does the class do? Well, very good, Simona. Very good, Tiana. Who's Pete? Is that Pizza Panda? Is Maya? Yeah, Maya. How many lessons you missed? Exactly. So Simona has told us it connects the HTML and the CSS. That's exactly right. Oh, it's Andrew. So there we go. We have the correct answer there from Simona and Tiana, which means it connects the CSS and the HTML together. Okay. Good. Too many pepperonis and pizzas, which is actually my favorite. Good. Pepperoni pizza, Pizza Panda. Fantastic. Okay. Next line, guys. What's the next line? And you're going to tell me what it is. And then we're going to do 1 minute, and then we're going to do the Kahoot. Maya, what I would suggest, like I said, yes, this div class. What does it mean? What does that do? What's div class mean? What does div class mean? What is the div? Let's start with the div. What is a div? Good, Ignacio. It's a box. Well done. It's a box. Good. Very good, Simona. It makes a box. Yes, a box. Well done. So if div means box and class connects the HTML and CSS, what's div class? Box typing? Not necessarily. Keep going. Makes the HTML and the CSS boxed, yes. But remember, what is Good, Tiana. Well done, Tiana. It's the style of the box. That's right. It will change the style. So if you wanted the box to be straight, like this, if you wanted it to be straight, whoops, oh, that just killed all the light. Yeah, if you wanted it to be straight box, or if you wanted it, oh, let's do it like that. There we go. Even though that's a rectangle, but you know what I mean. If you wanted a straight box, or did you want it with rounded corners? Yeah. If you wanted a smaller box, a bigger box, a rectangle, etc., etc. Okay. All right. So we know that that means the styling of the box style. Very good, Tiana. Very, very good. Okay. Yep. And is that the last one? What's the last bit that needs to be done? And then just explain that to me. Then we'll do the Kahoot shortly. We should have started a minute ago. Good, Simona. It's P class B. What does that mean? What does that mean, guys? Good. Well done, Simona. That's right. It's another class. It's another class. So it's like, what schools do we have? St. Raphael's. It's like as if you was, look, we've got different schools in here. You've got children that belong to Stanhope. You've got children that belong to Our Lady of the Rosary. You've got children that belong to St. Raphael's. But if you will, you can kind of compare that to the classes. So, for example, Simona goes to Stanhope. So so she wears Stanhope uniform. That's a really good analogy. So she wears Stanhope uniform. This is a way you could do it. You could and analyze CSS to HTML. So Sasha goes to St. Raphael's. So he wears St. Raphael style uniform. Give me and so someone finish off what I'm going to say next. Exactly, Georgia. So what does Georgia wear? Exactly. Okay. So, like Simona said earlier, you have class A and class B. Yeah. So you know that class B is going to have a certain uniform or style, and the class A is going to have a different uniform or style. Okay. Does that make sense? Ish. It kind of makes sense though, right? Yeah, exactly. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I hope that you've been able to get most of that code done. We're probably going to finish off that code tomorrow, make sure that everyone's on the same page, do a Kahoot. But what we will start doing next week will be the CSS. But I've seen that some of you guys have stepped ahead and started doing that CSS. That's fine. That's fantastic. We will be putting new CSS in there, okay? Just so you know, okay? But very good. Very good. We have to understand what it's in. Guys, coding's not necessarily the easiest thing in the world, you know? That's why not many people do it. And it's very new for a lot of people. So, you know, you guys are doing really, really well. It's good to learn at your age because it's your minds are new to it, which is great. But you guys already started understanding about how you can connect HTML and CSS, what the boxes are, the style of things. Fantastic. You're doing really well. But let's knock out this HTML. Let me see if Mr. Sims and I'm going to bring back Mr. Sims and Sean. Sean, if you want to jump into the Kahoot as soon as possible. Sorry, Mr. Sims and Sean, but Sean, we want you to come back into the classroom and do the Kahoot.
Why don't I just carry on with Sean finishing the code and save it?
Okay. Do you want to do that?
I think it's probably a good idea, yeah.
All right, then. Okay, all right. Cool. I'll put you back in. Sorry about that. Okay. So how many we got in there? 17, 11 on the board, I think. Yeah. Remember, guys, I don't want to have to close the chat because we're not being responsible enough. I want you to use the chat, but I want you to use it responsibly, okay? Just be careful, all right? Don't lose the privilege, guys. Don't lose the privilege. Thank you. Yeah, something like that. Okay, 11 logged in. Who else are we waiting for? Kevin, good. Come on, I'm gonna 15. Kevin, you're in now. When I hit 15, I'm gonna start. Who else are we waiting for? Yes, Kitty Cat. Sasha, no problem. Maya, were you able to get most of the code done? Don't worry, we're going to do, to be honest, we're going to do the same again tomorrow, very similar. We're going to make sure that everyone's on the same page before we move forward. And then, like I said, next week, we'll be connecting that CSS to the HTMLs. 14 in there, 14 logged in at the moment into the Kahoot. Guys, we need to actually move forward, so I'm actually going to start because Mr. Sims's lesson is going to start soon. Okay, here we go. You can still log into the Kahoot even though it started. This is the new HTML and CSS code. Which of these is not a valid HTML element? Which one is not an element? And if you were listening to Mr. Sims yesterday, and the question that someone asked him and he had to go and check it, that is the answer, if you think about it. Well done. Very good. Oh, Stanhope. Stanhope won that point. What tells the browser that this is an HTML document? Is it the body? Is it blue, doc type HTML, yellow HTML/HTML, or head? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Shiver me timbers. Okay, Dino Nuggies. I love that name. Kitty. Sounds like something I want to eat. Kitty Olamide. Well done, Olamide. Fantastic. Pizza Panda. And thanks for helping. Which of the following is the most recent standard of HTML? Let's see if you remember this one. We did go over this before. How many more we do? How many more? How many? Well done, Kevin. Good. Well done, guys. HTML5. Wow. Pizza Panda, Dino Nuggies, Kitty, guess my name, and Kitten. Only if you win. Is this HTML or CSS? Let's look at the picture. Is that HTML or CSS, guys?
We're back, Mr. Hines.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, sir. Sean, you can join the Kahoot quickly if you can. Kahoot.it. The code is 7306319. We've only done 2 questions. Oh, no, 4 actually. I lied. Okay. To Panda, Dino, Douglas, guess my name, Kitty, and Kitten. What is the importance of the HTML doc type? If you're paying attention, guys, you know. What's a doc type again? Non-existent. It's not important. Should be the very first thing in an HTML document. You better win, Simona. If you win, I'll be impressed. I'll be really impressed with stand-up if you win. Very good, HTML. Dino Nuggies jumps ahead of Pizza Panda. Kitty third. On fire, Kitten, and then Lemon Pug. If HTML is like the structure of a house, CSS is like the electrical wiring. Blue, plumbing. Yellow, toilet. Or green, wallpaper. And I don't mean the color of the wallpaper is green. Yes, you did do this before, and I'm glad that you're answering this well. But guys, what it is really important is not everybody is up to that scratch. So, and obviously we've got a lot of different levels here. So we will do a couple of these Kahoots to make sure that it's solidified in everybody's head. Which is the correct CSS syntax? Syntax means language. I'm not even gonna. I don't know actually. No, I'm not gonna say anything. Have a close look if you can. I know you're all on computers and you're not on anything else other than the computer, because I can tell. Which one is the correct one? Some of you have done CSS, so you know this. Good, good. That's good. But like I said, this is exactly why we do this Kahoot again, because I've got 5, 6, 7. So half of the class knew and half the class didn't. So that's why we're going to do this again and make sure that we're all on the same page. Pizza Panda jumps up into first again. Lemon Pug, Dino Kitty's Kitty, and guess my name. Next question. What is CSS used for? Guys, you know this. Anime, blue, another programming language for websites. It's another programming language for websites, or video games. Good. Websites. It is not websites, guys. Web. Correct spelling on that one. Couple more. The language HTML is known for its semicolons, flags, tags, or capital letters. What do you know about HTML? Is it for flags, tags, semicolons, or capital letters? I've said it to you today. Well done, class. Well done. Very good. Impressive. Some intelligent children here. The HTML is about structuring web page content. CSS is all about validating, checking, yellow, destructing, or green styling. Very, very good. Styling, green. Guys, you are absolutely kings and queens at this. Well, welcome Tiana on the board in 5th place. 2 more. Is this HTML, CSS? Look carefully. Look carefully. Is that CSS or HTML? Look carefully. What does it look like to you guys? Simona wants to. Good, kitty cat. Very good. Good. Nice. Kevin is back in the answer streak. Is this HTML or CSS? Last question. Fastest answer quickly. What is it? Look carefully. CSS, HTML, HTML, and CSS. What is it? What is it? What is it? I've got classes in there. I've got divs. Good. It is HTML. It wasn't HTML and CSS. No, it was just HTML. That one was a little bit more tricky, but guys, you got that right. Very good. Okay, let's quickly move on for your class, your video editing lesson with Mr. Sims. In 3rd place was Kitty. Congratulations, Kitty. In 2nd place was the Dino Nuggies. But 1st place, 12 out of 12, was Pizza Panda. I think is Andrew or Maya. 4, Guess My Name. And 5th, Tiana. Pizza Panda is Andrew. Is that right? Yes, it is Andrew. Wow, Andrew's, I'm not gonna lie, Andrew is really leading the board at the moment. He's on 5. 5-1 cahoots. Well done, Andrew. Impressive. That's another one for Our Lady of the Rosary. 5 for Andrew himself. And then next is Tiana with 2, and Natalia with 2. Okay, Mr. Sims, we are ready for you. Well done, Simona, though. You was, yeah, good game. You was right at the end there. Really, really good.
Guys, can you all hear me okay? Give me a 1 if you can. Give me a 2 if you can't. Nice, nice, nice. Not too much background noise or anything. Okay, wicked. I think we can carry on. So I'm going to put the link into the chat for you guys and pin it where we need to go. I think you all know where we need to go. That's it. It's clipchamp. For anyone who doesn't know, here it is.
I'll put the button there as well, guys.
Fantastic. Button and a link. There's no way you can't get there. So guys, I want you to all go to your project. I actually think you all know how to go there by now. So do you know what? I'm going to give you all a go from opening your project in clipchamp by yourself. Anyone needs any help at the end, I'll go through it again. So you've all got 2 minutes to get to your project in clipchamp, the one we worked on last time, because today we're going to learn how to complete and finish our intro. Actually, I'm not screen sharing, am I? So, yeah. Sorry, guys, I'm going to get that up. Yeah.
I'll leave that with you, sir.
I just assumed it was screen sharing. Share. Okay, guys, can we all see that? Can we all see that? So, guys, I'm in my project from the other day. Are you all right, Mr. Hines?
Yeah, if you just have a look, if you get a chance, have a look at Natalia's video. Thanks, Natalia. Very funny.
Where is it? I want to try and find it now.
I think it's this one.
Put the link in up to find it.
Yeah. She truly did have an evil plan.
Who is it for?
Click it. It's the first link now in the chat. I'll pin it.
Let's see Natalia's evil plan. Let's all watch it together. Oh, no, we can't because I've clicked one thing. I'm going to watch it now.
You can change the screen, though. Cheeky. An evil plan. An evil plan indeed.
Right, I got Boyd.
Okay, Mr. Sim.
That's for Natalia. Okay, thank you very much, Natalia, for that. That was a very evil plan. Let's carry on with clipchamp. So, guys, what we want to do, we want to make a intro. And I don't really like this intro that we've made last time. By the way, guys, just get back to them, get back to the chat. Are we all on a project now? Guys, come on, just listen. It's not time to share yet. We're going to have a sharing lesson next week. It's not time yet.
Would you like me to go into a quick thing with Sean?
Is Sean needing of help?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, yes, please. Yeah, just show him how to open up his project. It should be saved from the last time.
No problem, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Hines. Yeah, exactly. Well, we're gonna learn how to do an intro today, guys. Okay, so can we all get to this page? Do you want me to show you how to do it again, or are we okay? Remember, log into clipchamp via Google. Go to your project. The one, remember, you need to put your own footage in there. Okay, amazing. We don't have to have an intro. As long as you've got some video in there, guys, we should be okay. Okay, amazing. So, guys, yeah, remember last week I showed you how you can film your own video on here, how you can import videos that you want to use. Have we all done that? Give me a 1 if you haven't done it. Okay, so a lot of 2s, that's good. So we're all there. We've all got video in our save project. Okay, so the next question is, do we all have some videos, and I hope you remember what this is, guys, in our timelines down here. Wicked. Give me a 1 if you don't, so I can just... Yeah, amazing. Okay, it looks great. Okay, there was a one there. Lemon Leo, have you not managed to get the video down to the timeline? Have you got... Okay, you have. Okay, amazing. Fantastic. Okay, guys, so here we are on clipchamp. This is my FIFA video, one I did a while back. And I want to make an intro. And as you can see, we've put a bit of text here already. Mr. Sims. And then you see there, it actually automatically goes over. So when you're doing an intro, guys, you don't really want it to be overlaying the video like this. You see what I mean? We want to drag the video. We kind of want to start with like a black background with some credits, something like, you know, the title for a few seconds. Maybe we can make that shorter. So how am I going to do that? Well, you can easily do that by just modifying it there. So what I'm trying to get at here, guys, is basically we want to make our videos look neat and structured. We don't just, do you know what I mean? Like when you see really, really good videos, they've always got, you know, like an intro that blends in nicely with the actual footage, and then even an outro as well. So this is why I'm saying this stuff, guys. We want to make the video look professional. So yeah, there you go. So what else would you want? Guys, can you think of something else I could add to that intro? Remember, no spamming, guys. I haven't seen the chat. I'm just reminding you. What else could we have in that intro? So I've got Mr. Sims there. Yeah, we could put that. Yeah, we could put squares. I'm thinking of something else. What could be like, it's not actually part of the video that we could put in. It's part of the video, but it's not video. There's something else we can put in there. It's something Mr. Evans teaches. Yeah, that's it. Well done, Simona. That's it. Music. Yeah, that's it. Music. Perfect. This is what we want to add. The music gives you an intro. it sets it up. Exactly. So what we want to do here is just put music in the intro, don't we? So let me get some music in here. See if they've got some stock music. Here we go. Yeah, I think they do. Maybe I'll use some Zen music. So I'm just going to add that to my project. I think that should be added now if I press back here. So guys, you can either import music or go and get some music from stock. So how do you get it from stock? Well, you click on this little stock button here, like I think you just saw. You all saw I did that if you were watching. And then you can actually go and pick music. So I'm just going to do that again. So you click on the stock button, go down to audio here. SFX means sound effects. Music, that's for background music. And I chose Zen music. You can choose any of them, and you can click the little plus key there. You can sample the music. If you press the plus key there, it will go into your project. So let's go back to our project. But now I want to put that music in the timeline. There it is. What you want to do is generally have the music underneath your video. You don't want it, you see there when I dropped it in, it went to the top. Generally you want it underneath, guys. So let me just do that again for you anyway. So remember, I got my music from stock. I clicked add to timeline, and then I'm going to drag it below my video. I don't want it to be on top. Generally, rule of thumb is to have the music at the bottom. A lot of editors that you use will do that automatically, but this one hasn't. So guys, I want to shorten this. Well, you could do that by dragging it here, but that's going to take a long time. So I'm going to use a tool that we've used before on the video, the split tool. And I'm going to delete the rest of this bit of music because I just want to use the first part. And then I'm going to drag that to the same size as the title that I had there. And now we've got an intro. Tells you a bit about the video with some music. Then it goes into the start of the video. Guys, sorry about that. How are you all doing? Sorry, let me update the chat. So any questions, guys, on what I just done? Is there anything I need to show you how to do again? Yeah, Leo, we're going to get to transitions. We are. Do it all again? Of course I can. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do it all from. So guys, you should all have video in your timeline. Okay. Keeps going back left. Okay. That's strange. It shouldn't do, Tiana. Make sure you click it. When you click and dragging it, you're properly releasing from the mouse key, because sometimes it can be sticky. Let me do it again my end anyway. So guys, just pretend I haven't got the text here. Let's pretend I haven't got the music here. Cool, so here we go. We've already cut this video. We've got the video in the timeline. This is where I'm going to start from again. So, well, first of all, we want to add some text to the intro. So choose your text. I'm going to choose a different one this time. I'm going to choose a glitch one. I think that's quite cool. Then I can Okay, so that's pretty cool. So first of all, we've got the text there, about 5 seconds of text or something like that. Let me just double check that. Yeah, so we've got 5 seconds of text. So guys, did we all follow that part, how to add the text? Give me a 1 if you don't know how to do it. Yeah, you can put Fortnite in, guys. Okay, wicked. So it looks like you guys have all got the text part. So the next part, I'm going to add music now. But I don't want the video to be in the intro. So I'm going to move this bit of video over here past the text. So now I have more of an intro feel, because you don't really want your video in the intro unless you're doing something about that. Something with that, you've got an idea. You can do it, but it's not good to have the intro, the overlay of text over the video in the intro part anyway. That's my, I mean, as long as it looks neat actually and looks professional, it doesn't matter, but generally, yeah. So let's go to stock. We're going to stock because we're going to pick up some audio, some music, background music for our intro. So we go to the audio, go to music, and empowering music this time. Let's add that. Got it made. How do you do it? You click the little sign here, the plus sign, and turn it into a tick, and that will go into your project. I click the back button to go back to it. There is another way of doing it. There it is. It's in your project. So what we can do, we can either click and drag it. Let's click and drag it this time. And you want to drag it below all your video, your text, your video, to the bottom timeline rail. And then we want to reduce this music down to the same as the text. And then we've got intro and music. Our intro has a title and some music. Well, so that overlaps a bit. So I want to move that to the right a bit. You see what I mean? We've got a bit of we've got an intro. So there you go, music, gaming video. Then it goes into the video. So we've got our intro sorted. What's up, Sean? You can't do the music? Okay, Sean, what you might have to look back on this lesson. I think it is being recorded and uploaded to YouTube sort of straight after the lesson. So if you can look at it that way, or unless Mr. Hines is ready to do a breakout room. How you doing, Mr. Hines?
Yeah, you weren't calling for me, were you?
I think Sean needs help with adding music. You just need to go to stock and then add the music, and then pick music from the stock, and then just press the add button, and it will go into the project.
No problem. I'll take Sean into a breakout room with you. Does anyone else want the help with the music? I can take them into a breakout room. Let me know now, so I'll quickly take you over into a breakout room now. If you need help putting in the music. Good. Anyone else? Let me know quickly. I'm guessing. Okay, cool. Fantastic. Okay, cool.
Yes, we will be doing one very soon in the next 5 minutes. I just wanted to see that everybody's able to make an intro. So I'm going to give everybody a couple of minutes to complete that intro. You okay, Sasha? What's up? Okay, guys. Okay, you want to reduce the size of the music. It won't drag to reduce. Okay, let me show you another way to do it then. So, sorry guys, I was just giving you 5 minutes there. I was just trying to read your comments. So guys, imagine you can't drag to reduce it like Tiana said. You can use the split tool here, you know, the scissors icon. You see that that's split it for me where I put the cursor. And you can reduce it that way. You could even do it right there There you go. Tiana, does that help? Oh, okay, you're all good. Okay, guys, you got 1 more minute. I'm just going to look for I'm just going to get the Kahoot ready. Okay. Hi, Sean, you back in? We're going to do the Kahoot in a bit, Sean. I'm just letting everybody finish their intros. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Okay, I've got the Kahoot ready now. Are we all ready to give me a 1 if you're all ready to do the Kahoot? Oh, that's amazing, Simona. Nice one. That's it. Let me pin Pepperoni Pizza Ultra up there. There's the link to go. I'm going to get you the number now, guys. Let me just stop screen sharing for a bit. 2 seconds. Let's hope it's the right one. Yes, it is. Amazing. First time in. So there we go. Go to kahoot.it, 833-6460. Guys, we've done this one before, so I expect you should all be really good at it. Tiana, Tanya, straight in. Olamide, Matt Lemon, Yuft. How many people do we have in here today? Quite a lot of you. You got a minute to get in there, guys. A minute to get in there. 16. Nice one, Matt the Lemon. Is that how many were in the last Kahoot? 0. Yeah, exactly. A minute to win it. 1 minute, guys. Come on. 30 seconds left. Who's Cat? Yeah, who is Cat? 2 more, guys. I want to see you all in. Is that everybody? 10 seconds, guys. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're playing. We're in. Here we go. Video editing. 3, 2, 1. What do we use to edit our videos? Bitable, clipchamp, Premiere, Mr. Sims' Nan. And guys, I mean, in this course, I want to see all 16 answers, guys. Come on. Come on, one more answer. Guys, what are we using today? Clipchamp, Bitable, Premiere, or Mr. Sims' Nan? It's Clipchamp. All 15 of you who answered got it right. Well done. Let's see how that's affected the leaderboard. Pepperoni for me, top. Dino Nuggies, second. Yee is third. Tiana, fourth. And Pug Lemon, well, Pug Lemon is fifth. Quiz. How do we put video on the timeline? Click it. Click and drag. Use the mouse. Ask Mr. Hines to do it. All 16, guys. All 16. Come on, just 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3. Click and drag it, guys. 12, you got it right. Dino Nuggies is top. Pizza Panda has gone into second. Lemon Our Lady third. Tiana fourth. And Yee fifth. Okay, guys. What one of these is a video file? MP3. Mr. Hines. WAV. MP4. Come on, guys. All 16 answers. Amazing. 12 you got it right. It's not an MP3, guys. It's not Mr. Hines, of course. It's not a WAV. It's an MP4. Dino Nuggies is top. Lemon Our Lady is second. Tiana third. Pug Lemon fourth. And Kitten fifth. Amazing. What is the timeline where we edit pictures? A historic timeline where we edit video, where we put things to say. Come on, guys. You know this one. We went through it today. We used it today. What did we edit in there? One more answer, guys. Come on, you've got 10 seconds. Where we edit the video is not where we edit pictures. It's generally where we're editing to make the final video. Next question. Well, first, Dino Nuggies is holding that top place. Tiana's come up in second, Kitten third, Lemon Our Lady fourth, and Pizza Panda fifth. Is going to be in the top three, guys. We've got a chance to do it. True or false? ClipChamp is a browser-based editing program. True or false, guys? It's true. 14 of you got it right. Come on, guys. You know it's a for the two who got it wrong. You know it's web browser-based. You have to come onto Google Chrome, etc., to actually get on to the app. Matt Lemon fifth, Lemon Our Lady fourth, Kitten third, Tiana second, and Dino Nuggies holding that top space. Only 2 questions to go. Yeah, 3, or I think it's 3. .wav is a video file. True or false? Is .wav a video file? Come on, guys. 10 seconds. False. It's false. Correct. 12 of you got that one correct as well. Was it the other 4? What have it just flipped? We don't know. But anyway, false is correct. .wav is not. It's an actual audio file. So yeah. Wow. Dino Nuggies got knocked off top spot by Tiana. Well done. The others stay the same. Still 2 more questions left, guys. Don't worry. How do we log in on ClipChamp? Via Google, via Facebook, ask our pet dog, sign up form. Which one is it, guys? You've all answered. It should actually let us go on to the next one. Amazing. Via Google, guys. So it's not ask our pet dog. It's not via Facebook, by the way. And sign up form, it isn't either. It's via Google. Nice one, guys. No change. Okay, 1 question to change it. Dino Nuggies, can you get that top space off Tiana? 16:9 is the frame size, aspect ratio, a really good band, or audio editing. Which one is it, guys? It's an aspect ratio. It's not a really good band. It's not a frame size, even though that's close. It's not audio editing. It's aspect ratio. So, guys, what's happened? Who's got the top spot? Is it Dino Nuggies or Tiana? Third? Kitten, well done, Kitten. Dino Nuggies comes second, well done. And first is Tiana. Well done, guys, well done. Matt Lemon in 4th and Lemon in 5th. A couple of lemons in 4th and 5th. Okay, guys. Well done, well done. Lemon Our Lady, that's it in 5th. Well done, you guys. Well done. It's all right, guys. Still time to catch up with the cahoots. You just need a few wins. Mr. Lemon and Mrs. Lemon, exactly. Okay, guys. So I think Mr. Hines will be back to close off the lesson. Have we got any questions before we go, guys? Yeah, TYSM. Mr. Hines is on a phone call at the moment, so he may not be able to close the lesson, guys. Yeah, exactly. TYSM for everybody who joined today. Miss Bruce Shireen for moderating, Mr. Hines for his great coding lesson, and obviously me for my great video lesson as well. I hope you all learn how to do the intro, guys. Just a quick question before I go. Is everybody there with the intro? Does everyone kind of know where we're going with it? Can you see my dogs? Let me see if I can get them in, guys. 1 second, guys. Rafa, Wolfie. Come on, boys. Let's see. I just want to see them. Come on, boys. Can you see him? Can you see him, guys? Show you him quickly. Rafa, what's this? What's this? Yeah, he is, isn't he? I've got another one, but he's fast asleep, the other dog. Yeah, I know. Yes, same. Every time he comes in. Look, guys, let's leave it there now because, like I said, I think Mr. Hines will be back to close the lesson, but let's just see what he says here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, guys. Again, TYSM. I'm going to leave it here. We're going to end the lesson here. And guys, you're all great today. Big up to Sean. He really did well with his coding in the breakout room today as well. So let's do a big up to Sean as well. He's really catching up. And big up to all you guys for making great videos. And TYSM.